Hello friends, today we are going to study problem number 1 on multiple correlation coefficient. In last period we have studied multiple correlation coefficient and how to compute and what formula is to be used and what steps are there to calculate the multiple correlation coefficient. Now we are going to study the problem number 1 on multiple correlation coefficient. The problem is R12 is equal to 0.5, R13 is equal to 0.4, R23 is equal to 0.6. Then find the R1.23, R2.13 and R3.12 multiple correlation coefficients. Calculation of these coefficients by using the formula. Firstly, R1.23, the first formula. In case of formula, under root, firstly the multiple correlation coefficient of first with second and third. So, first with second means firstly R12 square, then R13 square minus 2 into all the three simple correlation coefficients means R12, R13 and R23 divided by 1 minus R square 23, R square 23. This is the first step, just formula putting. Next step or second step, value putting. Substitute the values here and the values are R12 square means 0.5 square, R13 square means 0.4 square, and these three all means 0.5, 0.4, 0.6 into 2 divided by 1 minus R square 23 means 0.6, okay, square. This is the step second. Step third, square and multiplication. The square of 0.5, the square of 0.4, the multiplication of these 4, 0.24, the square of 0.6, okay. This is the step of multiplication and square. Next step, addition. The addition of these two, 0.25 and 0.16 is equal to 0.41, minus 24, 1 minus 0.36, 1 minus 0.36 remains same, means here only addition is taken into account. Next step, subtraction. 0.41 minus 0.24 is equal to 0.17, 1 minus 0.36 is equal to 0.64. This is the subtraction step number 5. Then division, 0.17 divided by 0.64 is equal to 0.2656 under root, and last step, take the square root of 0.2656. the square root will be the 0.5153. This is the last step, 7 number. This is your answer of multiple correlation coefficient of first variable with second and third variable. Means here in exam also calculator is allowed. So, by using calculator you have to calculate each and everything, no need to calculate it manually. Okay. Now, second, R2.13. Firstly, under square root formula, 2 with 1 and 2 with 3 means 1 2 and 2 3. Then all these 3 are 1 2 1 3 and 2 3 in multiplication and multiplied by 2. Then in division, 1 minus R square 1 3, R square 1 3. First step, formula putting. Second step, value putting. Third step, square and multiplication. Square of 0.5, square of 0.6, multiplication of these 4 and square of 0.4. This is the multiplication and square step. Number 4 step, addition only. The addition of these two, 0.61. Then subtraction, the subtraction of these two, 0.37, the subtraction of these two is 0.84. Then division, 0.37 divided by 0.84 is equal to 0.4404. After division, take the square root of 0.4404 is equal to 0.6636. This is the answer of your R 2.13, means multiple correlation coefficient of second variable with first and third variable and nothing else. And number last 3 are 3.12, means multiple correlation coefficient of third variable with first and second variable. First the formula 3 with first and 3 with 2, 3 with means 1 3 and here 2 3. These all 3 multiplied by 2 divided by 1 minus 0.12 or 12 square. Okay. Second step value putting, third step square and multiplication, next step addition and subtraction, addition, then subtraction, then division and then square root. Your answer will be for 3.12 is equal to 0.6110 and nothing else. Okay, thank you. Means here by using the calculator you can find one by one and nothing else. Okay, thank you.